Hey guys, if you're facing installation errors with iOS 18.1, here's some steps that you can take to resolve them quickly. So make sure that you check the compatibility in storage, right? Make sure that you go to the general, click about, and make sure that your iPhone is compatible to update your iOS to the latest version, iOS 18, okay? Next, basically go ahead to the iPhone storage, right? And make sure that your iPhone doesn't take much space, because the update will take space as well. So you need to make sure that your iPhone is not filled, right? Next, go back to the general and make sure that you restore your device, whether that was manually go ahead to shut down your iPhone and reopen it again, or swipe down to your control center and click the shutdown icon at the top right and then reopen it again, okay? And by clicking the right thumb. Now, what you're gonna do next, you need to make sure that you have stable internet connection. Go and make sure that your Wi-Fi or whatever connection that you're using is reliable, right? Use a reliable Wi-Fi connection to download the update. Avoid updating over cellular data if possible, right? And basically reset the network settings. If you still facing that issue, go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, and basically make sure first to disable the VPN, and basically go ahead to the transfer reset iPhone. This is another solution as well. Click reset and you're gonna reset the network settings. If connectivity is an issue, just reset the network settings the same way that I'm showing you right now, and you're gonna be able to basically reset the connection settings. So that should fix your problem. These steps should help address most common installation errors. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.